Let's explore PHP switch statements. A switch statement provides an alternative to multiple if-else statements. It offers a cleaner and more readable way to implement conditional logic in your code. Here is the basic syntax of a switch statement in PHP. It starts with the keyword switch, followed by a variable enclosed in parentheses. Inside the switch block, you have multiple case statements, each corresponding to a specific value. If the variable matches a case value, the code within that case is executed. The break statement is used to exit the switch block after a match is found. Finally, the default case is executed if none of the cases match the variable's value. Here's a simple example to illustrate how switch statements work. We initialize a variable called $day with the value Monday. The switch statement then checks the value of $day. If it's Monday, it prints start of work week. If it's Friday, it prints thank God it's Friday. If it's any other day, the default case is executed, printing regular day. Switch statements also allow you to group multiple cases together. In this example, we have a variable called $grade set to B. The switch statement checks the value of $grade. If it's either O or B, it prints excellent work. If it's C, it prints good job. Otherwise, the default case is executed, printing keep trying. The break statement is crucial in switch statements. Without it, execution continues to the next case, a behavior known as fall-through. This can lead to unexpected results if not handled carefully. Let's see an example of what happens when you forget to include break statements. Here, $score is set to B. The switch statement finds a match at the B case and prints good job. However, since there's no break, it continues executing the next case, printing pass. As well. This results in the output good job, pass, which may not be the intended outcome. Now let's add the break statements to the previous example. With break statements in place, the switch statement behaves as expected. When $score is B, it prints good job, and then exits the switch block due to the break statement. The output is now simply good job. The default case acts as a catch-all when none of the other cases match the variable's value. It's like the else in an if-else statement. Here, $color is set to purple. Since there's no case for purple, the default case is executed, printing unknown color. Let's compare switch statements with if-else statements. For simple equality checks against a single variable, switch statements can be more readable and organized. If-else statements are more suitable for complex conditions, such as checking ranges or multiple variables. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using switch statements. Always include break statements to prevent fall-through. Include a default case to handle unexpected values. Use switch statements when you need to perform exact value matching. Avoid using them for complex conditions, comparing ranges, or evaluating expressions. By following these practices, you can write cleaner, more maintainable PHP code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.